And news just coming in, there's been a grenade attack in Kashmir. This was a grenade attack on a CRPF patrol at the Iqbalabad area in Tral. This grenade attack took place on a CRPF mobile patrol. One CRPF official has received minor injuries in this, and I want to bring in India Today's Shuja ul Haq for more on this. Shuja, bring us the details.
Well, Gaurav, this attack took place in the morning in a busy marketplace where CRPF patrol was going on, and a grenade was hurled at them. One CRPF personnel has has had some minor injuries, but it goes on to add to the series of these attacks that have been happening. In fact, Gaurav, since yesterday, this is the fourth attack that has happened in these areas of Pulwama and South Kashmir. Last night, there were similar attacks that had been carried out on the camp of a CRPF, stationed at Pulwama, which 3 Jawans were injured. So it goes on to add to the level of violence that has certainly, escalated in the valley of late, starting from the attack that we saw in Pampur, in which 8 CRPF Jawans were killed.
Now, you're spot on. There's a sudden spurt. Is this sudden spurt because terrorists like Burhan Wani are encouraging youngsters to take on security forces, including the Jammu and Kashmir police now?
Well, that is, one way of looking at it, because the militants that have this new breed of militants that have cropped up of late have constantly and openly been saying that they will attack the police force, they will attack anybody who is working with the security force. So it goes on to add to their, activities in the valley. It's not just these new 8 militants that we are talking about. There are desperate attempts to push more men from outside the line of control. Gaurav, you've seen of late how many encounters have happened on just stand next to the line of control in North Kashmir. At least 4 of them, I remember, have happened in last 2 weeks. So all of this put together, it seems like the summer is really heating up in the valley, with more men being pushed in and activating those who are already here in South Kashmir and other parts.
Shuja ul Haq, for the moment, many thanks for joining me. Keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more.